How to download Subway Surfers on Android. Now in order to download Subway Surfers on Android, just simply open your Play Store app. And after opening the Play Store app, you will get to see this homepage. Now in here, you just simply need to tap into this search button from the bottom right corner. After tapping into the search button, you will get to see the search bar in the very top of your screen. Tap to the search bar, and after opening the search bar, just simply type Subway Surfers in here, and after typing Subway Surfer, simply hit the search button and this Subway Surfer game from SYBO Games Studio will appear in the very top. Just simply open this and tap to install button. Then depending on your internet connection speed, your Subway Surfers will be downloaded in your Android device. This is how you can very easily download Subway Surfer in your Android phone. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.